In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export board to Excel. If you want to analyze your board data, create a quick report, or share a clean snapshot with your team, exporting to Excel is a fast and dependable way to do it. The process is simple, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly what to expect and how to get a clean file every time. Start by opening your board. Make sure you're looking at the exact board you want to export, not a dashboard or a different workspace. Take a quick moment to confirm that the view reflects what you need. Check that the relevant columns are visible, the sort order is how you like it, and any filters are set appropriately. Many platforms export what you currently see, so getting your view right up front helps you avoid surprises in the spreadsheet. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the board. Look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu. Depending on your screen size or theme, it might be 3 vertical dots or a similar symbol. If it's not obvious at first, hover near the board title or the Actions area and it should appear. Click that icon to open the menu with additional actions for your board. From that menu, choose Export to Excel. As soon as you select it, the system will begin preparing a spreadsheet. The file is typically in .xlsx format, though some tools may use TCSV. Your column headers will become the spreadsheet headers, and each item or task becomes a row. Notes, people fields, tags, and dates usually convert into text or standard cells, and subitems or attachments may export differently or be omitted depending on your platform's capabilities. If you don't see the Export to Excel option or it's grayed out, that often means you need additional permissions or your plan doesn't include exports, so check with your administrator or account owner. Once the export finishes preparing, you'll usually see a download start in your browser or a prompt asking where to save the file. The file name commonly includes your board's title and the date, making it easy to track versions. When you open it in your spreadsheet app, you should find the structure closely matches your board's view. That's all there is to it. Open your board, click the three-dot menu in the top right, and select Export to Excel. With those steps, you can quickly move your board data into a flexible format for analysis, reporting, or sharing.